In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana and Google Sheets. We're going to install the official Google Sheets app from within Asana so you can quickly move task and project data into Sheets for analysis, reporting, and dashboards. I'll keep things simple and clear, and you can follow along in any modern browser. Start by opening Asana and going to your home view. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into the correct account and workspace you plan to use. In the top right corner, click your profile icon. This is the small avatar button that opens your personal menu. From that menu, choose Settings to open your account settings window. Inside Settings, look along the top for the Apps tab. Click Apps to view the integrations available to you. This area shows apps you've connected and options to discover more. Scroll down until you see the link that says See All Apps, then click it to open Asana's app directory. In the directory, use the search bar and type Google Sheets. You should see the Google Sheets for Asana listing appear in the results. Click that listing to open its details page. Here you'll find a short description of what the integration does and an install button. Go ahead and select Install Google Sheets for Asana. During installation, you might be asked to confirm the workspace where you want the app available and to approve a set of permissions. This is normal and helps Asana and Google share data securely. If your organization requires admin approval for apps, you may see a notice. Just follow your internal process to request access. When the installation completes, you're done with the setup inside Asana. From here, the Google Sheets app is connected, and you can start using it wherever Asana surfaces the Sheets option for exporting or syncing data. If you ever need to double check that it's active, open your profile menu again, return to Settings, and look under the Apps tab to see it listed. If the Apps tab doesn't appear for you, it could be due to your plan level or admin restrictions, so checking with your Asana admin is a good next step. That's the full process. Open Asana Home, go to your profile settings, select the Apps tab, choose See All Apps, search for Google Sheets, and click Install. With that integration in place, you'll save time moving information into Sheets and keep your reports up to date with far less manual copy and paste.